To get started with this layout setup, I have created a layout view and a layout pool. I also have my groups in the corner here. To create my first layout, I select a group, press Store, and then press a blank layout key. To see the layout, I press the layout key again to select it, and it appears on the main layout view. To make changes to it, I will press the Setup key in the top corner. I can now click and drag on fixtures to move them around on the screen. I can also draw a rubber band box around the fixtures and drag them as a group. At the bottom of the screen, I have my encoder controls. Here I can move any of my selected fixtures in the X or Y axis with the encoders. If you click on the button Position 1 of 3, you'll find there are more options. Here I have the size option that I can use to resize the icons on the screen. I have size X or size Y, press Arrange, and size all to move them both together. One of the most useful tools is the Arrange button. I will select all the fixtures and press Arrange to give me a series of choices. The first option is the Line option. Here we can put the fixtures in a line and define the X and Y position of both the start and the end of the line. The second option is the Circle option. We can use this to put our fixtures in a circle. We can control the radius. We can turn it into a spiral. We can define the angle. And we can also define the end angle, creating a bigger or smaller spiral. The next option is Rectangle. Here we can control the number of rows and columns we have. As well as scaling the size of the rectangle. One of the most useful options is the Camera option. This allows us to copy from the 3D stage view the positions the camera can see in that view. The first encoder will allow you to rotate around different cameras until you find the angle you like. I will choose the top view, as this camera clearly shows the V position I have rigged the lights in. Do not forget to press Apply when you have chosen the arrangement for your fixtures. The next function is the Rotate control, which allows you to rotate the fixtures from whatever position they are currently in. The final option is the Scale option, that allows you to stretch the layout of the fixture in either direction. Don't forget you can always press the Zoom to Fit button or use the zoom bar down the side to zoom in and out of your view. You can also add in a box to your screen. Just press the box icon, click and drag across your screen, and if you wish to, you can give your box a title. We also have a text option. Press the text icon, click and drag on the screen, and type your text in. There is a font size option on the fourth encoder. If you go to the third page of options, you will find even more controls. For example, the background color can be used to put a color into the box. Don't worry about your fixtures disappearing. As soon as you press Setup, they will reappear. Lastly, we can copy any object from anywhere else on the console onto a layout view. For example, a group. Press Assign, then press the group, then click on the layout view. We can use all the same controls to resize this group icon if we wish to. When you have finished, press the Setup key to leave the setup mode and start using the layout view. There are many ways you can use the layout view to select fixtures. Click on the fixtures. Draw a box around the fixtures to select a number of fixtures together. Use the group key to select the whole group. Or if you click on a box, every fixture within the box will be selected. The layout view will show you the intensity of the fixtures and the colour. You can also change the mode so that you can see the gobo. Do not forget, this is just one layout view. You can create many more by selecting fixtures and storing them into new layout pool items. The layout view is a very powerful and flexible tool that can allow you to create your own views to suit whatever your show needs.